Shortcodes are WordPress-specific codes that let you embed files or create objects in just one line that would usually require lots of complicated codes. And with the Shortcode feature in Fluent Forms Pro, you will be able to embed complex external objects or features easily in your forms. Please keep in mind that this is a premium feature. Purchase WP Fluent Forms Pro add-on from the link provided in the description. Drag and drop the shortcode field from the advanced input fields, or click on the shortcode field to add it below the last field in the form editor. You can also add a shortcode field clicking the plus icon on the previously added input field and select shortcode field from the list. To enable customizing, hover and click on the edit icon on the field, or click on the Input Customization tab on the right sidebar when the field is selected. In the Input Customization section, paste the shortcode of the object you want to add to your form. If you want to trigger the shortcode fetch object based on some conditions, you can set the logics in the Conditional Logics feature in the Advanced Options tab. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.